We have to be smart with our money and strategic and make investments that are going to impact the lives of our students across the campus. Like our Dining Commons, an $8 million project, the Russell J. Salvador Dining Commons. This project, the Kiernan Center renovation of $11.5 million, is an investment in our students.
The term rec center really doesn't do justice to the touch that a facility like this has on a university community. The Kiernan Center is and will always be a focal point of our students on campus.
The athletes I got to work with taught me patience, to be myself, and more importantly, to be positive. And that all happened because we have a facility like this, Kiernan. Taking that class and being able to coach here was a great experience for me, and I'm pretty sure it was the same response for all the other coaches we had as well.
When you think of Niagara University, what you need to start thinking about is three things: soul, mind, and body. Father Maher has added to this university. They address the soul because it's Niagara University with the Vincentian philosophy. They address the mind with their classes, with their programs, and with the expansive nature of the educational opportunities. And let's take the body. We're standing in where they will now feed the body.
That's really why we're here. We're here to serve our students and to create an environment academically, socially, personally, and spiritually that nurtures them, that helps them to grow and to develop and be prepared to be citizens of the world. As our first president, Father Lynch, used to say, preparing Niagara students to be citizens of the world. That's the timeless mission of our university and what we're incredibly excited about.
On the count of three. 1, 2, 3, cut.